So this is the fafrees hailong 1, and it's the colour of the bike is a black and yellow. I think it is. It's 26 hailong 1, obviously quantity 1. It comes packed. Flares packed, obviously bit of padding in on the left, the right. The battery itself is down there. It comes in a spare box. Everything's packed away. You get your 2 pedals, clip for the front wheel, front light, and the bracket. The tool itself, now pushed on, and there. So you see now is the power on. Yep. Obviously your levels. 5 speed electric, and we'll just give it a quick. So the accelerator for this one is on the right, and she takes off, works perfectly. Power button on the top, power off. Then to remove the battery, just pull up and take it off. So that is the fafrees 26-inch hailong 1 bike. Not a bad looking colour either. I get this light that I showed you earlier was actually the rear light. It's worked by 2 batteries, and then we have the battery or the light on the front as well with a reflector. This comes off, so you have to screw in as well, and obviously the handlebars come off, which you have to adjust, and this part as well. But yeah, all in all, pretty Pretty cool looking bike. So we're after using 16mm spanner to tighten the pedals. They have the left and left and the right with the right. So now it's just a matter of turning it over, connecting the battery and having a look, see does it power on. So when you're putting on the front wheel, the disc side obviously goes in between the brake pads themselves. Rotate this to tighten it. Rotate the clip, quick release clip, and just make sure she's on. And we'll do a brake test in a few minutes. So next then is the pedals themselves. Before we put on the front wheel, you're going to have these little nuts and a plastic. Oh, I think it's just to protect it. You don't actually need them. You can keep them obviously. Just take it off. Throw it in the back. There, you're going to have to put on the pedals as well. And before, you can do it either way, but we had to put this through the steering wheel, the front wheel itself, and then attach it to the bike.